toys are y'all. Pokemon. They're gonna be opening up Mega Evolutions, Accented Heroes. Let's see what we get. Yep. Here goes the QR code for whoever needs it to scan it. One through the back. I want to say fight. And it's a leaf. And it's a fold leaf too. Check that out. Don't get too many of them. Charmeleon. I like that card. And reverse Meow. And did we get anything? No, we ain't get nothing. Well, y'all, I'm hitting a dry spell on these hits right now. But if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please. Ward's Toys out of here.